Hello, welcome to Tech Transform. Today we are here to discuss about after introduction of Cassandra, we are going to install and configure Cassandra. These are the steps we have to follow in order to install Cassandra. So let's get started. The very step one is we have to go to Apache site and find the Cassandra 2.1.5 version zip file. Let's open any browser and type download Cassandra 2.1.5. Here we have to choose the version 2.1.5. You can choose later version also. 2.1.15. I have to. Yeah, I'm choosing 2.1.15. Let's click that. Download this tad.gz file. It's downloading. Let's go to Files and Explorer, Downloads. Untar it means you have to extract here. Simply extract here. You got this file. Just copy and paste it in our work folder. I have already done that. This is what the file we will get. Okay. Let's copy this path. Now the next step we have to do. We have to set the Cassandra underscore home and path in bash rc. Let's open bash rc. For that, open terminal. The same thing I used to do in my others video also for installing. Not the new thing we are doing here. To opening bash rc file, type sudo nano dot bash rc. Enter. Give your password. Here if you come down, you will able to see you have to set like this: export Cassandra underscore home. You have to give this variable name, then this path. Control Shift V. You have to paste this path. Okay. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to set inside this path variable also Cassandra underscore home hyphen bin. This you have to do. These two settings you have to do. Once you're done, press Ctrl X to exit. Then let's go to document. Then after changing into bash rc file, we must compile and execute this. For that, sudo dot source dot rc. Okay, it's compiled. Then we have to open a new terminal. Let's open new terminal. Since we can open new tab also. We have to start the Cassandra server. To start the Cassandra server, we should type ca Cassandra -f. So it will take a couple of seconds or minutes to start the Cassandra service. We have to wait till then. Yeah, so it's starting. Let's give some more time. After the service starting, we have to do what the commands left. We have to open a new tab in a terminal and start Cqlsh shell. This is the Cassandra shell which will give you the SQL like structure to write the query. It's not the actually SQL syntax, but most of the time you can do your SQL, you can write your SQL query using Cassandra Cqlsh. SQL is stand for Cassandra Query Language. You're not actually going to do the extensive SQL queries like join and all those things, because it's by default and it's the at the root level Cassandra is NoSQL, so you can't do those extensive SQL queries. but normal basic SQL queries you can write and execute in this Cqlsh shell. So that's what the uh, bash shell, Cqlsh shell for writing SQL query for Cassandra. Cqlsh. Now let's open new terminal and type Cqlsh. Yeah, we got this prompt. It means we have installed the Cassandra successful, and here we can write and execute our Cassandra commands and create tables and key spaces, create column families and all those. That's what I will be coming with the next video, all those basic commands for writing here Cqlsh. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.